Good morning, everyone. In our last lecture, we have started chapter 2 of civics textbook, Role of the Government in Health. In this chapter, we studied about health, what is meaning of health, and facilities provided by government. In topic healthcare in India, we studied compare and contrast the situation in two columns. Facilities provided by our government and actual condition of health services in our country. Today our next topic is the cost of a cure. In this story, the cost of a cure, story of Aman and Ranjan. Both were friends, one from poor family and one from medium family or rich family. Both were ill, and when they visit to hospitals, they face various type of situation, different type of situations, because one goes to private hospital and one goes to public hospital or government hospitals. In this story portion, we shall mainly observe private health services or public health services, how they are differ and which one is better. The cost of a cure. Aman and Ranjan are good friends. While Ranjan comes from a well to do family, Aman's parents have to struggle to make ends meet. तो रंजन जो है वो एक अच्छे फैमिली से है, अमन के पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो काफ़ी लो कैटेगरी में है, इकोनॉमिकली वीक हैं. हाय अमन, गुड टू सी यू बैक. हाउ हैव यू बीन? I had fever, viral fever, and had to go to hospital. Oh, me too. I just got back to school on Monday. My daddy took me to see the doctor at the new hospital in Kingsway. तो रंजन कहाँ जाता है? किंग्सवे हॉस्पिटल में. और अमन कहाँ जाता है? गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में. The building looked so posh in private hospitals. The building looked so posh, I thought it was a five-star hotel. Daddy said that was because it was a private hospital with the best of facilities. In private hospitals, areas are posh, facilities are provided by administration. Private hospitals. Daddy had to pay rupees 500 at the reception counter. There was nice music playing and everything was really clean. Doctor asked for many tests, but everyone was so friendly. The lady who took my blood test told me so many jokes that I forgot to feel the pain. And have you heard that one about Batman on reality TV? वहाँ पे टीवी भी चल रहा था, क्रिकेट कमेंट्रीज भी उसने सुनी. एंड सो यंग मैन, दिस पिंक पिल शुड बी टेकन 3 times a day and the white tablet once before bedtime. Doctor gave him prescription and he says, thank you doctor, I feel better already. But in गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में क्या था, एक लंबी लाइन लगी हुई है, क्यों बनी हुई है. He went, we went a big government hospital. We had to wait a long queue at the OPD counter. I was feeling so sick that I had to lean on Abba all the time. कि मैं काफ़ी थका हुआ था तो मैं वहाँ पर अब्बा के सहारे ही खड़ा हुआ था, एक तरह से उनके ऊपर गिर रहा था बार बार. When your turn came, when our turn came, the doctor examined me and asked for a blood test. Then we go for blood test. Show me his OPD card And the test result quickly, please. He seems to be suffering from about viral fever. Nothing to worry about. All he needs is this one fever reducing medicine. My hospital was nice when he told him about private hospital. In private hospitals, facilities are provided but are very cost costly at very high rate. But in government hospital, facilities are at provided at very cheap rate, economically. My treatment did not cost much. So, well, students, with the story of Aman and Ranjan, we knew about private health services and public health services in facilities provided by government or private sectors. From the above story, must have understood we can roughly divide up various healthcare facilities: public health and second is private health. What is public health? This is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. They provide treatment to all kind of problems, common illness to special services. Doctors are trained to deal in common illness, work under the supervision of doctors at the primary health centers. At the district level पे क्या है? District hospitals that also supervise all the health centers. One of the example we have taken in our last lecture, story of Hakim Sheikh. गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल की जो फैसिलिटीज़ थी वो हमने थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्व की थी वहाँ पर. The health service is called public for many reasons. The government has established these hospitals and health centers. The public pay to the government as taxes. जो पैसा वहाँ पे एक्सपेंडिचर्स होते हैं वो कहाँ से कवर होते हैं? जो गवर्नमेंट को हम टैक्सेस देते हैं, फंडिंग जो देते हैं. Such facilities are meant for everyone. Public health system is that it is meant to provide quality health, either free or at a low cost. Many of diseases, TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, etc. According to our constitution, it is the primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people and provide healthcare facilities to all. कि गवर्नमेंट पीपल्स को हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड कराएगी. Hakim was denied treatment at various government hospitals. Therefore, the court asked the state government to give him the money or compensation that he had spent on his treatment. Second type is private health facilities. Wide range of private health facilities that exist in our country. A large number of doctors run their own private clinics. Rural areas, we may find registered medical practitioners. And in urban areas, we have a large number of doctors, many of them providing specialized services. In private sector, we may find many laboratories that do test and offer special facilities such as X-ray, ultrasound. There are also shops from where we buy medicines. All these are examples of private health services. As the name suggests, Private health facilities are not owned or controlled by the government. Unlike the public health services, in private facilities, patients have to pay a lot of money for every service that they use, like operation charges, surgery charges, rooms, all the facilities provided by pub- private hospitals, and we have to pay for that. Next heading is healthcare and equality. Is adequate healthcare available to all? Healthcare facilities in India, we face a situation where private services are increasing but public services are not. These are concentrated in urban areas, and the cost of these services in private hospital is very high. Medicines are expensive. Many people cannot afford them or have to borrow money when there is illness in the family. In fact, barely 20% of the population can afford all the medicines that they require during an examination, treatment, or an surgery. Approx 40% of people who are admitted to a hospital for some illness or injury have to borrow money or sell some of their possessions to pay for their expenses. For poor peoples, every illness in the family is a cause of great anxiety and distress because they have no sufficient money. Poor people are already undernourished conditions. खाना तक तो मिल ही नहीं पाता उनको, तो ट्रीटमेंट्स के लिए पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? These families are not eating as much as they should, not provided drinking water, clean surroundings, etc. Women's. If we talk about the health of women, then we may find it is being neglected. Sometimes it is not only the lack of money that prevents people from getting proper medical treatment. Women's health concerns are considered to be less important than the health of men in the family. What can be done to improve healthcare facilities? It is important to work on both in order to improve the health situation of our people. And this can be done. Look at the following examples of such countries. The Kerala experience, a state in India. In 1996, the Kerala government made some major changes in the state. What were the changes? 40% of the entire state budget was given to panchayats for health services or any other required services, necessary services के लिए. They could plan and provide for their requirements. This made it possible for a village to make sure that proper planning was done for water, food, women's development and education. तो जहाँ पर ज़रूरत थी एक्सपेंडिचर्स की, वहाँ पर वो मनी जो है एक्सपेंड की जाती है, बजट का 40%. एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस हेल्प टू इम्प्रूव द सिचुएशन. Health centers, hospitals, beds, all the facilities are provided by government with this budget. And we may take another example of Costa Rica approach. Costa Rica is a healthiest country in Central America, is considered to be one of the healthiest countries in Central America. The main reason this can be found in the Costa Rica Constitution. According to this Constitution के अंदर अब क्या किया गया है? They decided not to have an army. कंट्री के पास कोई आर्मी नहीं है. This helped the Costa Rica government to spend the money that the army would have used on health, education and other basic needs of people. कि जितनी मनी वहाँ पर एक्सपेंडिचर्स होनी थी आर्मी के एक्सपेंडिचर्स के लिए, उसको कहाँ यूज़ करेंगे? हेल्थ सर्विसेज के लिए. द कोस्टा रिका गवर्नमेंट बिलीव्स दैट ए गवर्नमेंट believes that a country has to be healthy for its development and pays a lot of attention to the health of its people. कि किसी भी कंट्री को पीपल्स की हेल्थ के ऊपर अटेंशन देना चाहिए. एंड कोस्टा रिका गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड्स बेसिक सर्विसेज एंड एनिमिटीज टू ऑल कोस्टा रिकन्स. जितने भी वहाँ के पीपल्स हैं उन सब के ऊपर अटेंशन दे रही है गवर्नमेंट. एंड प्रोवाइड्स safe drinking water, sanitation, nutrition, and housing. Okay, students, read this chapter attentively and prepare for exams. Thank you.